In today's video, I'm going to show you how to format your text here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on your spreadsheet and you want to change some formatting on your data, here's how to do it. So to format your text, first, what you're going to do is to select those cells or the cell that contain that text. And once you've selected them, you can just go ahead and start formatting by selecting these tools right here in the toolbar. So there are so many things that you can do with your text. You can change the font size, put it in bold, italic, have it strike through, change the text color, change the alignment, whether it's horizontal or vertical, have your text wrapping in different way, and your text rotation. So these are just some of the basic formats that you can do with your text. So let's go ahead and format this text right here. So once you've selected the text that you want to format, you can go ahead and choose the different tools right here in the toolbar. Let's change the font style. And here you have the different options that you can select from. Now let's just say there are some fonts that you can find. If you can't find them, just go to more fonts right here. Put in the keyword or the name of the font that you're looking for. Once you've found it, just click on it or select it, then click on OK at the bottom. Once you've done that, that font style will be one of the choices that you can select. But since that is already in Roboto, I'm just going to select Arvo, and there you have it. Now you can also change the size of your text by just click on the minus sign where it will say decrease and the plus sign for increase. You can also just select from the numbers right here. If the number that you're looking for is not found there, you can simply type it. And there you have it. So right now, my text is not visible, so I am just going to merge these cells right here. And there you have it. Now it's visible. Now if I want to put it in bold, I can do so. It is already in bold, in italic. That is what it's going to look like. Have a strike through. That's also what it's going to look like. And for the text color, if you want a different one, you can just click on that. And here are the different colors that you can select from. There we go. For the alignment of your text within that cell, you can also change that, have it centered and in the middle. Now let's try and format these texts right here. So these are 3 cells that I've selected. I can definitely do that if you want to format all the text in different cells at the same time. Again, you can just select them, change the font style, increase the size, put it in bold, and even change the text color. And there you have it. So those are the easy formatting that you can use for your text here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.